Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to iReady Lesson 11, Video 1. So last week we talked about understanding three-digit numbers. So understanding numbers with a hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place. This week we're going to be talking about reading and writing three-digit numbers. So let's get started with our first question. It says Jan buys 2 packs of 100 balloons. She also buys 7 packs of 10 balloons and 5 single balloons. How many balloons does Jan buy? Now we have a word problem, so that means we're gonna read it again. Let's read that again. Jan buys 2 packs of 100 balloons. She also buys 7 packs of 10 balloons and 5 single balloons. How many balloons does Jan buy? So it gives us a picture of what is in our word problem. So Jan bought 2 packs of hundreds balloons, 7 packs of 10 balloons, and 5 single balloons. So looking at our 2 packs of 100, how many hundreds are there? How many packs of 100 balloons do we have? We have 2 hundreds. So the number of balloons in 2 packs of 100 is, what does 200 look like? Well, we know it's a three-digit number, so 2 in the hundreds place. And it doesn't tell us that we have any tens or ones. So 200 is 2 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones place. Letter B, it says 7 packs of 10. So we have packages of 10 balloons, and we have 7 of them. So how many tens do we have? We have 7 10. 7 packs of 10 is the same as 7 tens. The number of balloons in 7 packs of 10 is, what number is the same as 7 tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 tens is the same as 70. And 5 single balloons would equal how many ones? 5 ones. So the number of single balloons is 5. Now it wants us to complete the equation. So how many hundreds did we have in our packs of balloons? We had 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds is the same as 200 plus how many tens? 7 tens is the same as what number? 70. And how many ones? 5 ones. So 200 plus 70 plus 5. So we know we have 2 hundreds. So 2 hundreds. We know that 70 is the same as 7 tens and 5 ones. So 200 plus 70 plus 5 is the same as 275. On page 97, it says the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 make up all numbers. The digits placed in a number tells its value. The same digit can have different values. Look at the value of each 4 in this number. So we had 4 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. In the hundreds place, the digit 4 stands for 400. In the tens place, the 4, its value is 40. And in the ones place, 4 shows the value of 4 ones. So let's think about the same thing with the number 8. It says, when does the digit 8 have a value of 8, 80, or 800? What are some three-digit numbers that show these values? So it wants us to think of numbers. So I'm going to draw a hundreds, tens, and one chart. And we are going to show different ways that we can have 8 in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. So, for example, I could have 800, so 800. Let's say two tens, and one one. So this would be the same as 800 plus 20 plus 1. Just because when we think of these digits, we think of 8 as being greater than 2. But guys, when we're talking about hundreds, tens, and ones, a digit can have a different value even if the digit is smaller than how many we would count. So that looks like this too. So let's say I have another number with hundreds, tens, and ones. And let's say I wanted to show 538. Now, where is our 8? Where is our digit 8? It is in the ones place. So 8 would be 8 ones. How many tens do we have? We have 3 tens. What number is the same as 3 tens? 30. And our 5 is in the hundreds place. 5 hundreds would be the same as what number? 500. So even though when we usually think of 8, it is bigger than 3 and 5. But if we have a 3-digit number, its value is going to be different depending on the place that it's in. Let's look at another way. So we've showed 8 in the hundreds place. We've shown 8 in the ones place. We are going to do more. What place haven't we looked at yet? We haven't looked at 8 in the tens place. So I want you to go ahead and put 8 in the tens place. Good job. And I want you to come up with your own number. So I'm going to come up with my own number. I know I have 8 in the tens place. So 8 tens is the same as what number? 80. And let's say I'm going to have 6 in the ones place. 6 in the ones place would be how many ones? 6 ones. And let's say I want to do 4 hundreds. So 4 hundreds is the same as what number? 400. So 400 plus 80 plus 6 is the same as 486. So 4 in the hundreds place, 8 in the tens place, 6 in the ones place. Up here, we had 500, so 5 hundreds, 30, so 3 tens, and 8 ones. The value of 8 was smaller than the 3 and the 5. The 3 was 3 tens, and the 5 was 5 hundreds. In the first one we did, we had 8 hundreds, so 800, 20, 2 tens, and 1 1. So Smarties, even though when we think of counting to 10, we usually think of 8 being bigger than 2. But guys, when we're talking about 2 and 3-digit numbers, we have to think of its value. So in our first problem, we had 8 in the hundreds place. In our second problem, we had 8 in the ones place. And in our final one, we had 8 in the tens place. Its value was different in each equation. All right, Smarties, as always, keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video lesson. Bye, guys.